Hi, so today we are going to find the greatest common divisor of 216 and 234. The formula that we're going to be using here, I'll put it here, is A times B all over LCM of A and B. LCM is the least common multiplier. So the first thing we want to do is establish what A and what B is. A will be 16, or 216, my bad. B will be 234. So for this, we put 216, since that's A, times 234, since that's B. And then we need to find this part. So for this part, I'm going to bring it all the way over here. We are going to find the divisors of it. So what we want to do first is make a line all the way down and then put 216 here and 234. What number can we put in 216 and 234 that both comes out with an even number? And that is 2. And 216 divided by 2 is 108, and 234 divided by 2 is 117. And we will keep doing this until we get to the very bottom, which is, so what can go into 108 and 117 that's even? 3. So we put 3 here, and 3 divided by 108 is 36. So you put that here, and then 117 divided by 3 is 39. And then what can 36 and 39 get divided into evenly? Another 3. So you put another 3 here. And then 36 divided by 3 is 12. And 39 divided by 3 is 13. Now, we need to find something that can go into 12, since 13 is now no longer divisible. So what can go into 12? 2. So 2 can go into 12, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then we just keep bringing the 13 down. And then what can go into 6? Another 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then you bring the 13 down again. And then what divided by 3 is 3, which we could use a 3, and which would equal 1 and 13. And now we'll bring this 13 over here at the end of it, because now what we're going to do is we're going to take all of these numbers and we're going to multiply them. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 13. Or we could do 2 to the, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3. 2 to the thirds times how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 to the thirds times 13. All of that comes out to equal 2,808. So we now take this number and we put it into our formula here. And then we make this, we times our first numbers, which this equals 50,544. Divide all of that by the number 2,808, which that equals 18. So the greatest common divisor of 216 and 234 is 18, and we used all of this to find 18. So the answer of finding the greatest common divisor of 216 and 234 is 18.